Hello guys, in this lecture I am solving 1987 IMO problem number 2 and here is a view of this problem. We are given that ABC is an acute angle triangle and the interior angle bisector of angle A intersect the side BC at point L and circumcircle at point N. And from point L we draw two perpendicular to side AB and AC and K and M be the feet of these perpendicular, and we have to show that the quadrilateral AKNM, look at the last line, quadrilateral AKNM and the triangle ABC have the equal area. We have already drawn the figure. Now first we complete the quadrilateral AKNM. Okay, fine. To prove area of quadrilateral AKNM equals to area of triangle ABC, but area of triangle ABC is what? Half into AB into AC and this whole angle is A into sin A, half AB into AC into sin A. This is 1. Okay, therefore we have to show area of quadrilateral AKNM is also equals to half AB into AC into sin A. Now our first claim is the triangle AKL is congruent triangle AML. The reason is very much clear because these two angle AKL equals to angle AML equals to 90 degree, and the top angle KAL equal to angle LAM equals to A by 2, and one side AL is common. Okay, therefore these two triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, then our next claim is triangle AKN is congruent triangle AMN. The reason is again very much clear because in these two triangles AK equals to AM from the previous part, and AM is common, and angle KAN equals to angle NAM equals to A by 2. Hence by side angle side congruency theorem these two triangles are also congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent then their areas are equal. Therefore we can write area of quadrilateral AKNM equals to what? 2 times area of triangle AKN, and the area of triangle AKN can be written as 1 by 2 into AK into AN into this top angle is actually A by 2 because whole angle is A, AK into AN into sin A by 2. Therefore what we have from here, area of quadrilateral AKNM equals to what? AK into AN into sin A by 2, AK into AN into sin A by 2. But what we have to show to prove the result, actually we have to prove this result, area of quadrilateral AKNM equals to half into AB into AC into sin A. This we want to prove. It means we have to create the term like that sin A in the picture. Okay, but here we get sine angle A by 2. No problem. Uh, Consider triangle AKL. AKL, we can write AK equals to AL cos A by 2, because AL is the hypotenuse, KL is perpendicular, and AK is the base. Therefore, AK equals to AL cos A by 2. Using this information in the above line, we can write AKNM, area of quadrilateral AKNM, equals to AL into AN into sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Now we multiply and divide by 2, we can write this area as half into AL into AN times sin A. We have proved this result. Okay, but we have to prove equation 2. Now to prove equation 2, we have to prove that AL into AN equals to what? AB into AC. So it is still to prove AB into AC equals to AL into AN. This will implies AB upon AL equals to AN upon AC, and this result is related to something like similarity of triangle. So we have to search two triangles which are similar and which can provide this result easily. Okay, AB read the numerator, we get 3 points ABN, and if we check about the denominator, then we again get 3 points ACL. So look at these two triangles ABN and ACL. First we draw triangle ABN. Okay, ABN and ACL. Okay, first one, the triangle, in triangle ABN, the angle ANB equals to angle ACB, since angle ANB equals to angle ACB, and angle BAN equals to angle NAC equals to A by 2. This implies triangle ABN, similar triangle ABN, similar triangle ABN, similar triangle ALC. And if these two triangles are similar, then we can easily write this line AB upon AL equals to AN by AC. Hence proved. We are done. Thanks for watching.